who wants to surprise her adopted son, Angel, with a trip to Disneyland. But there's a catch. His adoption will only be final if no one comes forward to claim him in the next 3 months. Just when things seem perfect, a woman named Mara shows up and shakes up their happy life. Worried that she might lose Angel, Twinkle goes all out, sometimes in wild and funny ways, to prove she's the best mom for him. As the 3-month deadline gets closer, Angel starts to bond with Mara in a way that worries Twinkle. Now, she must prove that being a real mother isn't about biology, it's about love, commitment, and never giving up. The film is a comedy-drama movie written by Daisy G. Kayanan, Daniel S. Sanyana, and June Robles Lana, starring Nadine Lustre and Vice Ganda. The film is entitled Call Me Mother. Production, ABS-CBN Film Productions Incorporated, The Idea First Company, and Viva Communications Incorporated. Director, June Robles Lana. Congratulations.
Yan nga po ang first sa 4 na i-announce nating pelikula ngayong gabi, Call Me Mother, na pagbibidahan ni Nadine Lustre at Vice Ganda.